Hi, my name is Andreas and I work as a feed application engineer at G&D. KVM systems are usually connected to workstations or servers to access them on BIOS level without the need of additional software. But what if my important IT systems are virtualized or even in the cloud? Can I also operate them with my KVM system? Let's take a closer look at this. Today we will show you how to integrate virtual machines in your KVM Matrix installation. With our new RemoteAccess-CPU, it is now possible to build hybrid infrastructures. We will guide you through the installation and show you how you can benefit from useful KVM functions. As you know, we connect the video, keyboard and mouse signals from our computer to the CPU module. The signals will be transmitted via fiber or copper to the console module, where we will connect our keyboard, mouse and display from our workplace. By using a KVM Matrix Switch, it is now possible to switch between the different CPUs on the user side. But what if you would like to add virtual targets into your infrastructure? A virtual machine is a software implementation of a physical machine. It allows you to run several isolated systems parallel on one hardware. The virtual servers can be accessed and operated through the management software on BIOS level. In most cases, a remote protocol comes with the operating system so that these virtual systems can also be accessed without the manufacturer's software. In Windows, this is the Remote Desktop Protocol, and for Linux system it is Secure Shell. The access via these remote protocols does not require a lot of computing power. Therefore, many users use thin clients to access the virtual servers. This leads to high purchase costs for hardware and, of course, time for setup and maintenance. Our new RemoteAccess-CPU saves these costs because it combines a KVM CPU module with the G&D own developed SOC as a thin client. It also saves you time by creating your remote sessions and is 100% secure against third-party attacks. Like every device from G&D, this is available for classical KVM or the new KVM over IP series. Our RemoteAccess-CPU is the perfect solution to access your virtual machines in your own network or in the cloud via your KVM system. It can be seamlessly integrated into your existing IT infrastructure. It has a transmission interface to communicate with the KVM matrix and a network interface to access your virtual machines. The setup of the remote targets takes place centrally and only once in the matrix switch. The supported remote protocols are RDP for Windows, SSH for Linux systems and VNC. Here, the target IP addresses, the used protocol, and if desired, the direct login data of the remote session can be entered. The created sessions behave like normal CPUs. They appear in the target list, can be assigned to users, supports G&D cross-display switching function for easy switching between different screen and sources. They are API capable and the remote sessions can be operated with a resolution up to UHD at 30 Hz with embedded audio. Another advantage of the RemoteAccess-CPU is that we are able to provide multiple access to one ADP session. You all know this, you are working with one shared account in one ADP session. Then a colleague is opening exactly the same session. As you can see, your session is closed and the other one is opened. Since these remote sessions are opened at our RemoteAccess-CPU, we are able to drive these ADP sessions on multiple consoles at the same time. This makes your whole team even more productive. So, thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you need more information, you can visit our website or contact our team. See you in a bit.